Ezinganeni ezingu-20 million eNingizimu Afrika, ezingu-13 million zithola isibonelelo sikahulumeni njalo ngenyanga, kodwa iningi lazo libulawa yindlala. Imali yesibonelelo sikahulumeni yabekwa ku-663 ingane ngayinye ngo-2022.
Who are these children we're talking about? Who are these 8 million children who are hungry? They are mostly African children. So this is indirect discrimination on the basis of race.
Umbiko ohlanganiswe yiNyuvesi yaseKapa uveza ukuthi kumele kwenziwe malini ukuguqula lesimo.
Increasing the child support grant to the food poverty line. Remember, with the child support grant, we already have a budget of 77 billion rand. So the differences would be the extra ask, and that would be 23 billion.
Umbiko uphinde uveze nokuhle okwenziwe isibonelelo sikahulumeni, njengoba kukhona nembuzo ethi kusiza ngani ukuchitha izigidi zamarandi njalo ngenyanga ngenhloso yokulekelela abaswele.
16% of what you disperse as grants comes back as VAT, right? At a minimum, excluding petrol and everything else that people consume.
Ungqongqoshe wenzenhlalakahle uLindiwe Zulu uthi yize bekubona ukubaluleka kwalombiko kumele kucubulungwe kanzulu ukuthi bangawusebenzisa kanjani.
The political willingness without the administrative support, and the administrative support that does not work because they have to get salaries. They work because they understand the state of the people.
Ezindabeni zethu ozethulelwa yiNewsroom Africa ku Channel 405 nginguziyanda Ngcobo ngibika ngiseGoli.